So start by applying heat protection to your hair and straighten it with a flat iron, especially if your hair tends to get frizzy. Divided your hair into sections. Make sure all your partings are clear and even. This will help you achieve a sleek, polished look. Begin gathering your ponytail from the main section. Brush all the hair upward. Add some hairspray if needed. I like to apply gel with a brush so it doesn't leave marks on my hands.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on.
Brush thoroughly and secure with an elastic.
That you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
Split the ponytail in half and pull it to both sides to tighten it. Check that it sits right in the center. So next step, slide the tip of your comb under the strands and lift it slightly. This helps to smooth every layer. Try to eliminate any bumps or uneven areas. Move on to the back section and smooth it using the same technique. Brush each strand toward the ponytail, add gel or hairspray if needed, secure with a clip, then tie it with an elastic. Repeat this process for each section. Once the main sections are done, move to the front.
I are working here today is evidence of that.
Create a middle part, then brush each side slightly back and toward the ponytail. Secure with a clip and tie with an elastic. So now, wrap a small strand around the base of the ponytail to hide the elastic. Unfortunately, I didn't notice that my camera shifted a bit, but I hope you can still see what I did. Finally, add a little bit of hair powder at the base and tease it slightly for volume.
I don't deny there's some strange.
And your stunning runway-ready high ponytail is done.
Mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
If you like it, let me know and I'll see you next time.